Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start now by powering down, unplugging, and bleeding the tank to zero, safety first. Once done, move the compressor to an open, accessible area and inspect mounting bolts and feet. Loose hardware amplifies noise. Make sure to identify the primary noise sources: the pump, motor, intake, and valve plate. You file quick notes, measure gaps and clearances, and prepare parts. This immediate assessment sets the plan. You won't waste time guessing, and you'll act on the biggest contributors first. You now isolate and damp the vibrating components to cut structure-borne noise. First, place vibration pads under each foot and tighten mounting bolts to maintain a soft but secure support. This stops transfer to the floor. Next, wrap the pump and motor with closed-cell foam and then an acoustic blanket. Make sure ventilation and cooling paths remain open. Once done, switch rigid plumbing for flexible couplers and soft tubing where the motor meets the tank. This reduces rattles and resonates less. You finish by addressing airborne noise and fine-tuning. Fit a proper intake silencer sized for your compressor CFM. Foam elements reduce whine while commercial mufflers cut broad frequencies. Once installed, resecure all mounts, recheck clearances, and torque fasteners. Small loose parts cause big noise. Make sure hoses are clamped and leak-free. If you still hear a hum, test motor bearings and valve timing. That troubleshooting step often reveals worn parts that need replacement.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.